Okay, so welcome to this section on Advanced Kafka topic configurations. So you may ask me, why should I even care about topic configuration? Well, we've seen that brokers have default for all the topic configuration parameters, but these parameters may impact performance and topic behavior. Usually, defaults are fine, but sometimes topics may need to have different values than a default. So defaults may be for replication factor, number of partitions, message size, compression level, log cleanup policy, min in-sync replica, and other configurations. So we've seen that replication factor and number of partitions is super important, and we've given guidelines, but let's look at the others, okay? A list of all the configurations can be found there at broker configs, and you have to scroll down a little bit. So now I want to show you how we can change a topic configuration. So we'll go do a hands-on right now and change min in-sync replica to be equal to 2. So let's go ahead. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to list the topics I have in Kafka. And as we can see, we are going to create a new topic. So we can do Kafka topics -- create. The topic is going to be called configured topic. So we're going to configure that topic, obviously. And as we know, we need to include a number of partitions and the replication factor equals 1. So the topic has been created, and now we can go ahead and describe it to see if there is any configuration attached to it. So we use describe command, and as you can see, currently there are no configs. Okay, so now we are going to use a new command called Kafka configs. And you press enter, you will realize this is a very, very long documentation. But this command adds or remove entity config for a topic, client, user, or broker. So here's the usage. You do Kafka configs -- zookeeper, and then you reference zookeeper, so like this. Then you do entity type equals topics with an S. Entity name equals the name of your entity, so configured topic, which is the topic we just created. And then we can do -- describe. Now, as we can see, configs for topic, configured topic are, and there's nothing because there's no configs. Now we can go ahead and add a topic, add a config, so we can do add config, and we can just say whatever we want. So let's just go look at the Kafka configs to see what is available. So if we scroll up all the way, we can see that there is an add config, and then we provide a string. So key value pair, key1 equals v1, comma, k2 equals v2, etc., etc. So we can set, for example, min in-sync replicas to 2, okay? So let's go have a look and try that out. So we'll do this, -- add config, min dot in-sync dot replicas equals 2. Press enter. And as we can see, we get an error. So we can go ahead and have a look at what the error is. And we need to include something else. We must be either a describe or an alter. Because we're adding a config, we need to alter. So we'll go back and add -- alter. Press enter. And now it says completed updating config for topic. Now, if we describe that topic using the describe command from Kafka configs, we can see that now the configurations are min in-sync replica equals 2. Similarly, if we use the Kafka topics command and describe it, we will see right here that on the right-hand side, the configs are min in-sync replicas equals 2. So this is it. You can also look at the Kafka configs command, and instead of adding a config, you can delete a config if you wanted to, and you just provide the name of the config. We press enter, and now it says completed updating config for topic. And now, should we describe a topic, we should see no more configurations. So this is it for configuring a topic. As you can see in there, if we type Kafka configs command and you scroll all the way up, there are quite a few things we could set. So this is for entity type topics. We get all of these. So we have going to learn about those in the next lectures, but I just wanted to show you how we would do it using the command line to add, delete, and describe configuration for a topic. Hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture.